Good morning, kids. Welcome to English 3, Quarter 3, Week 3. I am your teacher, Michelle Pedroso. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome to our English class. Prepare the following materials: your English module, notebook, and pen. Did you know that solving a problem requires careful thinking and analysis of all its angles? Some problems require simple solutions, while others require detailed ones. That's what we are going to find out today. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify possible solutions to problems. Our lesson for today, problem and solution. But before that, let's have a review. Remember affixes? Affixes are syllables or letters added to the word to form new word and meanings. Read the questions and choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Patrick could not recall ever being so far away from home. What does the word recall mean? A. Remember. B. Move. C. Sleep. Very good. The correct answer is letter A. Remember. Number 2. Before we get our dog, he was a homeless puppy. What does the word homeless mean? A. With a home. B. Without a home. C. Home again. Correct. The answer is letter B. Without a home. Number 3. I was given a handful of cookies. What does handful mean? A. Without hands. B. Hands full of. C. Hands again. Very good. The answer is letter B. Hands full of. Number 4. I was sleepy, but I was able to regain my strength. What does regain mean? A. Gain without. B. Not gain. C. Gain again. Nice. The answer is letter C. Gain again. Number 5. Mandy did not want to displease her mom. What does the word displease mean? A. Make angry. B. Make happy. Or C. Make afraid. Excellent. The answer is letter A. Make angry. Very good, children. Now we can proceed to our new lesson. Look at the pictures. What can you say about the picture? Correct. The picture is all about COVID-19. Today, we will read a selection about COVID-19 or the coronavirus. Listen carefully. The coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 has spread all over the world. It is believed to have originated in Wuhan, China. This virus mainly affects the respiratory system of humans. When one gets this virus, he or she may have mild to severe symptoms. Many have already died due to this virus. Meanwhile, some may also show no symptoms. Scientists around the world are doing their best to control the further effects of the virus. Different versions of vaccines have been invented and tested to give immunity to individuals. Also, some countries have already started their vaccination program. It is believed that through these vaccines, governments will be able to control the spread of the virus. Now, can you tell the problem mentioned in the selection? Very good. The problem is the discovery and the spread of COVID-19. This problem even leads to various effects such as having mild to severe symptoms and even death. How about the possible solution to the problem? Correct. Scientists have worked hard to discover the vaccines that will help in controlling the spread of the virus. That is the possible solution. Children, problem and solution portrays a relationship of ideas in a sentence or selection where one idea presents the problem and the other provides a possible solution to it. What do we mean by problem? The problem refers to the issue or idea that has to be solved, while solution refers to the statement that shows how the problem can be solved. For example, Elena applies for a part-time job as she needs to pay her tuition. What do you think is the problem? Correct. The problem is she needs to pay her tuition. And what is the possible solution? Very good. The solution is Elena applies for a part-time job. Another example. John is not feeling well, so his parents take him to the hospital. What do you think is the problem in this sentence? Very good. The problem is John is not feeling well. And what is the solution? Correct. The solution is, so his parents take him to the hospital. In some cases, only the problem is presented in a sentence or selection. It is for the readers like you to determine the possible solution to it. For example, problem. Emily knew she had to get to school on time, but her mother said she couldn't drive her. What do you think is the possible solution? Very good. Possible solution is, Emily decided to leave early and walk to school. Remember, children, problem and solution portrays a relationship of ideas in a sentence or selection, where one idea presents the problem and the other provides possible solution to it. The problem refers to the issue or idea that has to be solved, while the solution refers to the statement that shows how the problem can be solved. Now let's try this activity. Problem and solution match up. Match the problem with its possible solution. Number 1. Sarah missed the bus. Choose your answers from the letters. A. We had to wait for the later showing. B. Her mom had to drive her to school. Or C. She called my dad to bring her the extra set. Number 2. My mom left her keys in the car. Number 3. My family was late getting to the movies. Next, number 4. Michael forgot his lunch at home. Letter D. He bought a lunch. Or E. He studied his lesson. And number 5. Louis got low score in the test. Now, are you ready to check, children? Okay, let's check. Number 1. Sarah missed the bus. The possible solution is letter B. Her mom had to drive her to school. Number 2. My mom left her keys in the car. What is the possible solution? Correct. The answer is letter C. She called my dad to bring her the extra set. Number 3. My family was late getting to the movies. The possible solution is letter A. We had to wait for the later showing. Number 4. Michael forgot his lunch at home. The possible solution is letter D. He bought a lunch. And number 5. Louis got low score in the test. The possible solution is letter E. He studied his lesson. Job well done, pupils. Now, what did you learn from our lesson? Very good. Problem solution portrays a relationship of ideas in a sentence or selection, where one idea presents the problem and the other provides possible solution to it. Problem refers to the issue or idea that has to be solved, while solution refers to the statement that shows how the problem can be solved. Now for your activity, do the activity in your English module.